Oh, wow. Wow.
How you doing? You alright?
Yes.
Yeah, you were just sleeping.
You were sleeping.
Wanted to make sure you've been sitting here for probably over an hour now.
Tired.
Okay. Where were you tonight?
On a flight.
On a flight?
Yeah, I flew out from Tennessee.
From where?
33 twice in kind. Someone emailed.
Tennessee.
Okay. Where were you hanging out tonight?
856.
Ocean House?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not a lot. I'm just really tired.
What's not a lot?
Like 2 drinks.
2.
Okay.
2 of
So
what?
it's like tequila, soda.
Okay. Do me a favor, step out.
So it's like 10.
Okay. Hop
Alright,
out.
step out.
Please and thank you. County
I got it,
43,
I got it.
183.
Just go to the back.
4323.
You can come right on the sidewalk.
9198. Myself.
Come right here.
Vehicle. Romeo 9.
You could look at me. Yep. You said you were coming from Ocean House. What time did you leave there?
I would say like 1 a.m.
1 a.m. Okay. Do you know what time it is right now, without looking?
Like 3.
3? Okay.
And what's your name, miss?
Sarah? Sneha. I use Sarah as my
Okay.
Starbucks name.
Where are you from?
Homedale.
Homedale? Okay. Is that where you're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
What was your location? If I said it, that part cut out. I did get the plate though.
Ocean South.
County Ocean Ave.
Okay. We're just gonna run you through some tests, just because the vehicle's on.
Yeah, so
You were possibly going to operate it.
essentially in the state of New Jersey, you're sitting behind a vehicle, it's running, you're in the charge.
I've got 2 kids.
Hold on,
please.
listen,
I'm just
before. So essentially, here's what's going on. We saw you. We have no choice at this point, right? So you were sitting in the front seat of the vehicle's running.
I'm just trying to keep
Unfortunately, is why we're here right now. So let's see.
First test we're gonna do is.
Listen to this officer and we'll go from
What's
there.
your highest level of education?
I have a graduate degree.
Okay. You know the English alphabet, A to Z?
Yes.
Okay. Without seeing the common song, can you recite it, A to Z?
Yeah.
Okay. You could, if you could.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Q, R, S, T, I'm sorry, I'm just...
You could restart if you'd like. From A to Z. You could restart. If you want to give it another shot.
I'm just like...
Okay, we'll go to the next test. I'm going to have you put your hands at your side. Put your feet together. While I demonstrate this test, just stay in that position, alright? Just hands at your side, feet together. You're going to raise either foot of your choosing when I tell you to. I'm going to demonstrate it before I ask you to begin. I'm going to raise the left foot. You're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. I'm going to demonstrate it first. You just stay in this position, the start position. So you're going to raise either foot of your choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your hands at your side. You're going to count out loud while looking at your toe. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. I also wear contact lenses, so my contacts are getting really sticky right now.
Okay.
Okay.
We won't be doing any eye tests.
I understand, but it's hard for me to focus when I can't see.
Do you have any injuries to your leg, back, neck, anything?
No?
No? Okay.
Injuries.
Do you understand the test?
Yeah.
Okay. You could begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009. What do you want me to count to?
Until I tell you to
We'll tell you
stop.
when to stop.
Yep.
Oh.
Please and thank you. You can pick up from where you left off.
1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, Do you guys use it on your own, like when you're not in the middle of the night by yourselves?
Okay, you can continue the test, please, and thank you.
1020,
3327 time.
21, 22, 23, 24. Sorry. People who don't do yoga can do this on their own.
Also, if you need to reach me, please contact me. It's on my headquarters. I'll have my radio and
23,
all
24,
electronics in the other room.
1025, 26, 27, 28.
Okay, you can stop. Next test I'm going to have you do, I'm going to put you into the start position. So you're going to put your left foot in front of your right foot. Yep, and then you're going to keep it heel to toe, touching. And then you're going to have your hands at your side. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate it. First, you can just watch me stay in that position. So you're going to start with your left. You're going to take 9 steps forward. I'm only going to do 3 to demonstrate it. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. You're going to count the steps out loud. On your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9 back.
Okay.
Keeping your hands at your side and counting out the steps. Do you understand? Okay. Here, I'm gonna have you step. Yeah.
Do it right here
You
so you
could-
don't run into the pole or nothing.
Okay.
Thank you. Count out loud.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I was trying to.
Just how I demonstrated it. Okay, do you have a driver's license with you?
Yeah.
Is it in your vehicle? Okay. Okay, well, we're gonna grab that. So, can you turn around? Turn around. Just put your hands behind your back. You are being placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
44 and 83, 198, we'll have 1 female, 41. Could you also start me at Hook for John's Law, please?
961, female 41, hook for John's Law, 305.
We'll grab her phone and her ID, Madison, inside, imply consent. Then you
Yep.
can start the 20-minute observation
Okay.
period. No burping, vomiting, belching, or anything in her mouth, okay? If she's gonna use the
Do you have a purse or anything that you need? We'll grab your phone and...
Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, congratulations.
No, it's nothing else. It's not that.
Well done. I hope you have a wonderful new year. It literally wasn't even fucking done.
Where are your keys located, miss?
Find them yourself.
Do you have keys in the car? Obviously, they're in the car. Is it a push start? Okay. Just gonna walk on this side.
Sleepy mom. Like a criminal. Go ahead. Well done.
198, I attached the plate to the call.
Excellent job, Cobb. So proud of you.
Putting it right here.
Go
To
right
the store.
ahead.
Yep.
Yep.
Go right ahead, officer. Extremely proud of you for taking care of the public.
And just make it right here.
The tow's gonna be from Speedway Service Center. He's coming right out. Okay.
Are you left-handed, right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Okay. I'm just gonna have you take a seat right here. Right on this.
183-198.
Just have to read you a few things. So this first one's going to be your Miranda warning. You could follow along. 1, you have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say may be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to consult with any attorney at any time and have him present before and during questioning. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be provided for you if you so desire prior to any questioning. A decision to waive these rights is not final, and you may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. Do you understand your rights?
Is it really 3 a.m.?
It's 3:12.
Okay.
Do you understand? You can either sign or that you understand
What
your
if I
rights.
refuse to understand my rights because at a 3:12 on New Year's Day?
Okay, you could refuse. That's fine. No interest.
County 3030, Artie's is 10-9. Receive Artie's on the patient 313.
Just have to explain one more thing. This is the New Jersey. Are you the registered owner of the car? It's in your name?
Yes.
Affirmative.
What is your name?
Patrolwoman Taylor. So just have to read you NJ Attorney General's standard statement. So you have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39.
I was not driving.
50.
I was not driving. What is the what is the line between driving and being parked? I was not driving.
The vehicle was on.
I was not driving.
Okay. The law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol.
Okay, I will absolutely get a lawyer for not driving under the influence.
A record of
So
taking.
you want to ruin your career? Go ahead. I will absolutely get a lawyer for that.
A record of the taking of breath samples, including the test results, will be made upon your request. A copy of that record will be available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician at your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of the refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation up to 20 years, a fine up to $2,000, installation of ignition interlock, and a referral to a intoxicated driver resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty.
Are you allowed to deny me water? I'm parched. I need some water.
So after I read this, and then it depends if you want to. After I read this, we'll go from there. All right. You have no legal right to an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking the breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give, delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. If you agree to take the test but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you a refusal to submit to breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit the samples of your breath?
Sure. I just need some water. I'm parched. Oh my god, you guys really need something better to do. Like, get a real job, please. I'm really not a threat to society. Wow. Oh my goodness. If any kind of bias is kicking in right now, I would advise you against it.
So after you do the breath samples, I'll grab you a water. All right, just because at this point you can't drink anything, eat anything, burp, throw up, anything like that before the test.
Because I decided to actually do the better thing is to be parked. Do you realize how this works?
After we're finished here, someone sober is going to have to pick you up, or you're going to have to stay here for
Or somebody awake. How about that? At 3 a.m. in the morning.
Right.
Right.
But they also have to be sober. Or you'd have to stay here for 12 hours.
I'm happy to stay here for 12 hours. I don't really care. That's what you need me to do to be a noble citizen.
You have a phone call
Here.
on your phone.
Yes, I know. We can.
Vehicle is TOT RD.
If you want, you could start making some phone calls to see if anyone can pick you up.
I don't understand what you want me to do. Like, I've never had a DUI before. I haven't had a
Okay,
ticket since
yeah.
2014. Like, what is it that you want me to
Okay,
do?
right. So after 20 minutes is up, you're gonna blow 2 breath samples onto that. After that, you'll just get the summonses, the court date, and then either someone's gonna come pick you up, sign for you, you get released, or you'd have to stay here for 12 hours till 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
so would you like to make some
I
phone
will
calls?
stay here. I will stay
You'll
here.
stay here? Okay.
I got no one. And what happens if I, like, test sober? What happens?
If you test under the legal limit, we would call a drug recognition officer out here, and they would test for any narcotics or anything like that, and then it's up to the court. The court is really...
So, like,
You still get charged. You still get
For
the
what?
ticket for the driving under the influence. Yeah, driving under the influence.
of what? Of sleepiness?
Of what? Well,
Of what?
if you blow a 0-0, so it's all off the test that we just had you perform on the side of the road. As
Yeah,
well.
that's 315. Like, what exactly it is that you are arresting me for? For being tired?
Driving under the influence.
Influence of what exactly? I'm asking you, what exactly am I going to be arrested for if I'm under the legal limit?
You would still get charged with
For what?
driving
For
under the
what?
influence
Of what?
of alcohol and or
No,
narcotics.
but if I'm under the legal limit, what is it that you are going to charge me for? I'm
it's
asking
still
you that question.
It's still the same.
Excuse me? What the hell does that mean?
You still get the ticket for driving under the influence.
Dude, I wasn't even driving. Like, can you be serious? I have 2 children.
Okay, I am being serious.
No, I am literally not even driving and I'm tired. I flew in from Tennessee today. Like, what is it that you want from me? On the 1st of 2024. Are you being serious right now?
I am being
Like,
serious.
why do you not
are
actually
arrested.
pursue real people who are actually out there to, like, not abiding by law and harming the public? Like, can you please actually be a real cop? Give me a break. Please, give me a freaking break. I don't even swear. Gotta be kidding me. Please, be a real cop. Do your job. Wow. Unfortunate. If this goes too far, like, I'm gonna have to get a really good lawyer. Really good lawyer. Because this is really unfortunate. Actually, you know what? I will have my phone. Thank you.
As if to call for a ride?
No.
Okay, then you can not have it.
Oh, it is then. It is to call for a ride.
Do you have someone you can call?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I do. Are you denying me the right to use my phone?
After we finish this, then you can have it.
Hey. Hello. Okay.
We got about
5 minutes? Okay. And what's your first name, miss? I'm sorry, I wasn't here for that.
Sam.
Sam? Okay. So here's what's gonna happen. Sorry, I'm not. You consented to a breath test, so in 5 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through the breath test. Okay? We're gonna do that. You're gonna give me 2 samples of your breath, okay? After you give me 2 samples of your breath, you're gonna get 2 tickets, and then you're gonna go with Robbie. He's gonna sign you out of here.
Robbie's here.
Robbie is here. We didn't call him. He thought you got into an accident. So he was very happy to know that you were with us. He is very happy that you're safe, and he wanted me to tell you that he's waiting for you. I told him you're only going to be about 20 more minutes, and that is a better alternative than sleeping in my cell for 12 hours. Trust me. So, alright, I'm going to chat here as fast as possible. Do you have any questions for me? Okay. I appreciate you being calm. That helps a lot. Usually at this point people are spitting in my face. So this helps. And then you're going to go home with Robbie, okay? Alright. If you don't mind me asking, have you ever been in trouble before?
I don't think I have a parking ticket for a while.
Okay.
Or a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Since 2014.
No, that's good. That's really good. That's really good.
I wasn't even driving.
So this has happened to us many a time or two. So I'm going to give you, and again, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. I'm just trying to be completely 1000% transparent with you. When you're behind the wheel of a motor vehicle and it's running and you're in the driver's seat, and we do tests and we determine that you're unfit to drive in the state of New Jersey, there's intent for operation. So we have to make an arrest. We're actually liable to make an arrest. We don't have a choice, So, like I said, I'm going to get you out of here in like a couple minutes. When the couple minutes is up, we'll be We'll be grooving. Madison, what time was the start of the 20-minute?
It's up now.
Okay. Alright. Camera's going off, electronics are going off for the test of the alcohol test. So, here's all your stuff. Your vehicle was towed to the Seabright Service Center. So come back here 12 hours from right now. So 4 o'clock in the afternoon, come back to our headquarters, you get a release form. We'll give you the address where we're going to pick up your vehicle. It's about 5 minutes up the road from here. Your license is not suspended. Okay, you're going to have to go to court on the court date, and that's how all that stuff gets figured out. Alright, and obviously you're being released now to your Robbie.
I'm just gonna have you.
Okay, you guys are good.
You guys are all set.
Try to have a better night, okay? Here,
Thank you.